Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use OBS Studio with Chatruletka. First, install OBS Studio. Then download the file from the link in the description and extract it. After that, run and install both the reg files. Now, open your browser and go to the Chatruletka. As you can see, it might only shows your real webcam and not OBS. To fix that, minimize your browser, right click on this PC and open Manage. From there, go to Device Manager, find your real webcam and disable it. Once that's done, go back to your browser and refresh the page. Now OBS should be working perfectly. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.